Hi everybody. So today I'm going to unbox my Diwali gift which I have gotten from the company that I work for as a software engineer, and this is the Diwali gift that I got. So I'm unpacking it with the help of my family. Here is my father helping me to unpack. I told him to show and unpack everything slowly for the unboxing video. So right now he's being very cautious. So this is the first gift, which is what mini massaging stick. I think this is really cool. I have never bought any massaging stick, neither would I. So this is cool. This is Bluetooth wireless headphones. I regret buying it for my brother a month ago, for which I made a video as well. I would link it in description if anybody wanna watch. And this is really cool thing, which is LED wireless charging speaker. I'm really excited about this one. What else do we have in this hamper? Also, these are the cute chocolates, and there are floating candles everywhere. These are kind of pretty cute gift for Diwali. What else is there? Let's see. What is this? Is it a kit or what? So there's a perfume as well. We're going to see everything. Don't worry, I'm going to unpack everything one by one. So, what are we starting with? I think my father is confused. So, so I must be explaining to him. Okay. Now you want to pack everything since everything is unpacked. Okay, so first we are going to unpack the speaker. This is really helpful for parties or anything. Don't you think so? Because speaker is, you know, there is no way nobody can use speakers. Everybody uses speakers. Oh, and this is my company's logo as well. It says Ayasya, and this is the company's logo which I work for. I'm really thankful for my company. I'm really thankful that they gave me this Diwali gift, and I am happy that I am able to give it to my family. So everybody's fighting for chocolates now. They're like, I want to eat it, I want to eat it, but it's mostly my brother. I told my father that we are going to show everything, not pack immediately. So he's showing the candles. It's kind of cute. This is the bag. Let me know if you guys want to see the unfiltered vlogging, but that is way too chaotic. So I'm voicing over it. But let me know if you want to see that. So this is the bag that I got. Okay. And it also has my company's logo. I think this is really pretty color. My father is happy right now. This is pretty color, and I think it's really lightweight and easy to carry. He's showing it. Okay, so now he is pro. Yes. Ayasia logo. I feel really proud when I receive these kind of gifts. Um, it makes me feel validated academically, um, as all of the hard work that I've done over the years. This is the massaging stick. So this is like the machine in between, which is okay. So my mom is showing me the chocolates. Look how cute the chocolates are. They are in the shape of crackers. Every chocolate is in shape of either chakli or some sort of crackers. And I tasted it now, so I can say it's really tasty. So this massager has a band in it and one machine. So I'm asking everybody to open the Bluetooth earphones, please. But everybody is like, okay, my mom is showing the perfume. It also has a Yasio logo. It looks premium and luxurious, doesn't it? My actually in I could show.
ये मैं रखूंगी वो बताओ वॉइस
ये मैं रखूंगी।
अभी बहुत कम है वॉइस।
गूगल का साइलेंस सुंदर लग रहा है यार।
कुड़ी मैनू कहंदी मैनू जुत्ती दे सोहणिया
लेकिन आप गोरिए लाइट नहीं चली भी आगे ऐसा क्या कान में डाल के दिखाई। इसकी पूजा करेंगे भगवान के सामने। So now my mom is showing the massager. So this has a one strap over it as well. So my mom is showing the charger as well, that it has the charging thing. So this massaging thing has another different kinds of modes, like massaging, beating, etc etc. चॉकलेट कैसी लगी?
नाम मतलब वासु का
माँ कैसी लगी चॉकलेट और सामान?
खाई है सामान तो बहुत अच्छा
अच्छा
एकदम
लगा।
जैसे लग रहा है किसी ने दिमाग से सब चीज सोच सोच के रखी एकदम झकास।
जस्ट लुकिंग लाइक अ वाव है।
So elegant, so beautiful, just looking like a wow. कैसा लगा सामान?
वेरी नाइस। मेरे सामान की बेइज्जती कर।
आपके ऑफिस आपका भी टिफिन अच्छा है।
मेरे सामान
वो वाला हटा देना मेरा।
रह गए सोहणिया मैं कहना गोरिए ना 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 गोरिए।
वैसे तो I have also gotten the mithai box, but everybody has already eaten it, so I cannot show it